Hey everybody, here we're in this property we literally recently completed. You can see it's all everything ready to go. There's a bit of cleaning, appliances, and obviously picking up all the little small details. But I thought it will be a good opportunity to talk to you about something that we have now added to most of our designs. And it's this little space that you see here. It looks like a room, but it's not. This is our manager's storage. And we use it to include space for the property managers in our team to keep spare parts, to keep supplies. Here's where the internet connection is. Here's where the main access point to the roof cavity are, and everything that we want our managers to have access to, but that we don't want to be on the way of the residents. It's not a big space. It's probably 2 meters by meter and a half or thereabouts. It has some shelving in it, and it's something that allows us to make sure that we provide everything we need to provide to the people living here without having a whole bunch of crap lying on their way. This space is normally locked. Our property management team has access to it when they need, and if they need, as well as things like cleaning supplies and cleaning items that only our cleaner use, the ones that everybody use in the living area. But I thought it makes sense to show you a little bit of this together with some of the other details of this house. There's more videos coming up. Just make sure that you kind of follow us or subscribe or click the bell or any of those things to make sure you don't miss any of those things if you want to see more of this roomy house coming up very, very soon.